Hey y'all, this is 12 o'clock. Welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I'm talking a little something about oil changes. Something my grandpa taught me when I was 6 years old. I've applied it to cars forever, and it's the same on bikes. So it's any motor, any engine that you do an oil change on. The oil filters, all oil filters have an O-ring right here, a rubber gasket. O-ring, it's not really an O-ring, it's more of a flat rubber gasket. But couple things. One, when you pull these off a car or any motor, a bike, you always want to make sure that this comes off with the filter, because sometimes this sticks on the car. And when you put the oil filter back on, it actually double gaskets it. So it has two gaskets on it. So basically what that does is it comes loose immediately and it leaks oil. But that's not the tip for this week. This week the tip is to lube this a little bit with some fresh oil before you put it on. It helps seal it, helps keep dirt out, makes this seal last a lot longer, and it ensures that it's going to seal to the block. So all you do, I poured a little bit into this cap, just take a little bit of oil and run it around the edge and wet that gasket real good. And it doesn't have to be soaked, it doesn't have to be leaking anywhere, just a little bit. And there you go, now this filter's ready to go on the engine. So that's it guys, that's the tip for the week. Be sure to lube up your gaskets before you thread on that protection. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee you it work. This is just the tip.